In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot for fast, reliable research. Think of this as your guided walkthrough to go from a blank screen to organized notes in minutes, all without getting lost in tabs. We'll start by opening Microsoft Copilot. You can launch it in the way that's most convenient for you. Visit the Copilot website in any modern browser, open the Windows 11 Copilot app if it's installed on your device, or use the Copilot panel in the Microsoft Edge sidebar. Pick whichever fits your workflow so it's easy to access whenever inspiration strikes. Before you dive in, sign in to your Microsoft account. Click Sign In and log in securely. This step unlocks the full feature set and helps you keep your work consistent across devices, so you can return to your research later without losing your progress. Next, start fresh by opening a new chat. This gives you a clean slate and keeps your current questions from mixing with anything you asked earlier. It's especially helpful if you're researching several topics in the same session. Now enter your research topic in the chat box. Be clear and direct. You might type something like, "What are the latest AI trends in 2026? Summarize renewable energy developments this year." Or, provide key points about blockchain technology. Press enter, and Copilot will generate a structured response you can build on. Quick note while we're here. If you're using the app or website, you'll find the download link for the Windows app and the direct website link right at the top of the description below this video, so you can get set up quickly. From here, refine your search to shape the results. Ask follow-up questions to dig deeper. Request a shorter or simplified summary if you're scanning quickly, or specify the kind of information you want, like statistics, real-world examples, or a brief history. The more specific your request, the more focused the answer will be. As you find useful insights, organize and save your information. You can copy responses directly from the chat into your notes, or export them into Microsoft Word for a report, Excel for lists and data, or any document app you prefer. If you're working on something formal, remember to verify sources and keep track of citations. When you're ready to switch topics, click New Chat again to start another research session without pulling in the previous context. It keeps everything tidy and focused. That's it. Simple, fast, and efficient. If this helped, explore a few topics to get comfortable with refining prompts and saving clean summaries. Thanks for watching.